If you need to request a refund from Amazon Prime Video, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime Video subscription. Step 2. Navigate to your orders. Once logged in, go to your orders section. You can find this option in the drop-down menu under Accounts and lists at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Locate the purchase. Scroll through your orders to find the specific Prime Video purchase you wish to refund. This could be a rental or a purchase of a movie or show. Step 4. Select the order. Click on the order to view its details. Look for the option that says return or replace items or request a refund, depending on the nature of your purchase. Step 5. Follow the refund process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your refund request. You may need to provide a reason for the refund. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your request. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates on your refund status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer service for further assistance.